Migrate Google files to Microsoft 365 with Migration Manager. Welcome to M365 Professional. When you're ready to migrate your users' data files from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365, the Microsoft 365 Migration Manager can help. To start in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, open the SharePoint Admin Center. Select Migration. Find Google Workspace, and then select Get Started. The Microsoft 365 Migration app will access your users' Google Workspace content and copy it to Microsoft 365. To install the app, select Connect to Google Workspace. Then install and authorize. This will open a new tab for the Google Workspace Marketplace. Select Sign In. Enter your Google Workspace admin credentials. Choose Domain Install. Then Continue. Select the checkbox. Then Allow. When the installation completes, select Done. Return to the Install the Migration app page. Select Next. Then sign into Google Workspace. Enter your Google Workspace admin credentials. Then select Finish. Next, we will select the drives that will be migrated and scan them. Choose the Google drives you want to copy. Then select Scan to ensure their files can be safely migrated to Microsoft 365. Once all the drives have a scan result of Ready to Migrate, select Copy to Migration, and then Copy to Migration again. Next, you need to start the migration. Go to the Migration tab and notice your drives. Destination paths are auto-mapped. If you need to select a different destination path for your users, make bulk changes through a CSV file. To change the destination path for an individual user, select the drive name. Edit. Then choose a new destination path. Next, choose the accounts you want to migrate and then select Migrate. You can check the progress of your migration through Migration Status. When migration successfully completes, you can view the total number of files and the amount of data migrated. Select Map Identities if you want to configure how to preserve permissions to your files. Finally, choose Download Reports to see information about your migration, to help troubleshoot any issues and share updates with your stakeholder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.